So now we are in the topic 8. Okay. So middle term in the binomial expansion. Middle term, if n is an even, suppose the n, this one we'll call it as a n. If this number is an even, then n by 2 plus 1 term is a middle term. If n is an odd, then the odd term of it is, like if n is odd, then the middle term will be n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2 is the middle terms. Okay. Now we'll find in this. So once you check it out whether this power n, the value of n is odd or even. It's an odd, right? So what is odd? If it is odd, what you're going to do, n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2 terms are in the middle. So here I'm going to write it as 7 plus 1 by 2. How much it is? 8 by 2. So that is fourth term, and then 7 plus 3 by 2, that is 10 by 2. So that is fifth term. So this both I'm going to find it. Fourth term means what? 7 C. Fourth term. So fourth term is C T4. So that is 7 C3 and 5x whole power of 4 into minus 1 of 7y whole power of 3. That's it. Your answer is that much only. And the next, this one, fifth term, 7c4 power of 3 and minus 1 of, here it is 3 minus 1 of 4, 7y whole power of 4. That's your answer. Just you need to calculate over there. And this one, second question, is the middle term in the expansion. So this, the middle term, they're asking us to find the middle term of this. So it is, when it is even number, then what you're going to do, n by 2 plus 1. So 10 by 2 is 5 plus 1 is a sixth term. So T6 you're going to find. So n is 10, C5, x power of 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 1 by x power of 5. Okay. So that's it. Your answer will become, and this power is down if I send it. So this and this will get cancelled. So 10C5 is your answer. So the option B is your answer here. Okay. Now coming to this part, if the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of x plus y whole power of n is 4096, then the greatest coefficient in the expansion is. So here, sum of the coefficients of the expansion, full expansion, we need to find a sum of the coefficients of it. So here, let us take x is equals to y is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So if I keep it 1 plus 1, in place of that 1 plus 1 whole power of n is equals to sum of all coefficients if I expand it, or else if I substitute here also, then the answer is 4096, right? They only told that. Then the greatest coefficients in the expansion, we need to find it, right? So now, this is what 2 power of n is equals to 4096. Can I write 4096? What is the 2 power in the terms of 2 power? If I write it, how much? 2 power of 12. So if I compare this both, n is equals to how much? 12. We got n value. Now the middle term will be the greatest, right? So when it is even term, then the middle term will be how much? N by 2 plus 1. So 12 by 2, r is equals to 12 by 2 plus 1. So 2 ones to 6, so it is a 7. R is equals to 7th term. Now r is equals to 7. So 7th term it is. Sorry, n by 2 plus 1. So it is not r, it's a t. Okay, term. So then that's 7th term it is. Now r is 6, right? R is 6. Then now I need to find a value of the greatest coefficient, right? So here NC, what is this? 6, NC6. N is what? 12. 12. So coefficient, I think I don't know required. It is like x and y. We need to, only the coefficients they're asking. So the variables these all are. So 12C6 is enough for us to find the value of it. Okay. So R is 6, but the term is 6 plus 1. So you know, or when it is in a one further term it will be. So when it is a 7th term, R will be a 6. So if it is 6 6 terms from the back, we'll write it 12 into 11 into 10 into 3 terms is completed, 9 into 8 by 6, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, right? So if you want to know why we are writing this things the formula directly, then you can check, you can follow from the starting videos, then you'll see how I am doing this all. Already we discussed everything, how we got this values and all. So from the starting, if you follow, you'll understand. 6 2s are 12, this and that cancels, then 4 1s 4 2s, 3 1s 3 2s, so 3 3s, then 5 1s 5 2s. So how much is left over? 11 into 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So how much is the answer of it? 1 to 1, right? 110, 1 to 1, yeah, is your answer. Coefficient, the greatest coefficient of this term is this. Okay, some more problems, we'll do it. I missed one point here. These are 6 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms I need to write it. So into 7 also. So when you multiply 7, the answer will be 924 is your answer. Okay, you can multiply it and check it out, your answer. Okay, so here is the 4th question continuously. If A is a real value, and if the middle term of this A by 3 plus 3 whole power of 8 is 1120, then the value of A they are asking us. So if it is a normal real value of A, so middle term how I am going to get? Middle term is what? How we are going to find the middle term? N, if you know it, then n by 2 plus 1, right? So that is 2 1s, 2 4s. So 4 is a R, 4 plus 1 is a term, means 5th term, right? 5th term. So T5 means R will be 4. So N is 8, C4, 8C4, then into 8. So here the problem we already discussed here, this one. So we are going to find the value of A. Okay, they told it's a middle term is this value. Now answer I have written here, and we'll find a value in this. Okay, so if I write it here, AC4 is what? AC4 is like 4 terms, right? 8C4 means 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 terms by 1, 2, 3, 4 into A power of 4 by 3 power of 4 into 3 power of 4 is equals to 1120. Okay, so A power of 4 and 3 power of 4 if gets cancelled here, then 4 2s are 8, 8 cancels, 3 1s 3 2s, 10 and 70 here. 70 A power of 4 is equals to 1120. 0 0 if I cancel here, then 112 by 7 power of 8. 7 table, can we cancel it? 7 1s, 7 1s are 4, 7 6 are. A is equals to, so it's plus or minus 2. Answer is plus or minus 2. That's it. Okay, 16 and 2 power of 4 is 16. So A is plus or minus 2. Then 5th question here. One value of alpha for which the coefficients of the middle term of the expansion of this and this are equal. So both middle terms are equal, it seems. The answer is minus 3 by 10 and the other one answer they are asking. Okay, the other value of alpha. One answer they gave and they are asking us the other value of it. So here one value of alpha. So okay, we are going to do the expansion of 1 plus alpha power of 4 and 1 minus alpha power of, okay. The middle term of this is what here, if it is even, then R will be 2, okay. Third term, but R will be 2, right. So I'll directly write it to the middle term of it. So the value is, the coefficient only they are. So I'm going to remove it of X because only the coefficient it is, okay. Answer it is. So alpha I'll take. That's it. So 4C2, 1 power of anything will become a 1 into everything will become the answer. Now alpha power of 4 minus 2 is 2. Sorry, this is the second term. So 2 is here. Yeah, same thing it is. Alpha power of 2 I am writing here. And this will be equals to here. What is this? 6 the middle term will be 3, okay, r will be 3, then into alpha power of 3, or whatever is there, here I am going to get. So if I solve this one, how much I am going to get? This alpha square and alpha, so one more alpha is left over, and this is 4c2, so 4 into 5 by 1 into 2 is equals to 6, 3 terms, 6, 5, 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 into alpha. So 2 ones, 2 twos are 5 ones, 5 ones will get cancelled, 3 ones, 3 twos are 6, 6 cancels, here 2 is left over and 4 over here, okay, or any other things here left over. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, and then this is, see, because it's a minus, here is minus power of 3, so your value will be 3 here, okay, and one second, I'm missing somewhere, it's, yeah, 3 to the 6, here I did a mistake, 4 and back I should write, I wrote front, so 4c2 means back I should write, now here it is a 3, so and this 5 we can't cancel it, okay, yes, this both has cancelled and 2 is left, 2 3s are 6 and 5 4s are, so 2 1s are 2 2s I can cancel, okay, now minus is left over and 3 by minus of 3 by 5 2s are 10 is equals to alpha. So alpha is equals to how much? Minus 3 by 10. So they already told it is, in the question itself they gave that alpha is equals to minus 3 by 10. And they are asking us to find the value, another value of alpha. So already we got the same answer. We don't have the another answer. Then other answer will be what it is going to be a 0. Okay. So we'll do one more problem. Here is another question. The sum of the real value of x, the value of x they are asking us to find. The middle term of this expression is this one. So middle term will take and we will equalize with this value, then we'll get the value of x. So middle term is what? Here it is an 8, this r value will be 4. So directly I am writing the term 4 plus 1 is a 5, fifth term, so r is 4, then 8 c4 x cube by 3 whole power of 8 minus 4 is 4, and then here it is 3 by x whole power of whatever r will be there, I am going to write r value here, then that is 5670. Then here I am going to calculate, here it is 8, so 8c4, so 8 I have to write 4 numbers as back, 8, 7, 6, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. One is no value, like if I multiply also something, x power of 12 by 3 power of 4 into 3 power of 4 by x power of 4. So this all gets cancelled, 4 terms, and this 8 terms will be left over, and here it is 5670, and here also 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, so this will get cancelled. Then 3 ones are 3 twos, 5 twos are 10 and 70. Into x power of 8 is equals to 5670, x power of 8 is equals to 5670, 0 0 if I cancel it, only the 7 is left over, 7 ones are 7, 8 1, so x power of 8 equals to, what is the answer? So here I can write it as 3 power of 4, then x power of 2 whole power of 4 and 3 power of 4. If cancel this both, then x square is equals to 3. So x is equals to plus or minus square root of 3. Is your x value is this much. Okay, so we're done with the 8th topic and we'll go to the 9th topic in the next video.